Hello and welcome back to tazwells12. You're on my YouTube channel, which is tazwells12, and I am the host, who is Tara Wells. Today's video is going to be a makeup review testing tutorial video. Perfect, good little bargain. But before we get into the bargain or the makeup product, I just want to say the nitty-gritty stuff first, which is, if you like the video, the product, the advice I'm giving, anything in this video, then give it a massive thumbs up, because I'd be very grateful. It also tells me what you want to see, what you like. I can bring more, other people can see it, other people can see the video, so definitely give it a thumbs up. Come and please subscribe to tazwells12, like my YouTube journey and the love family, by signing up to YouTube for absolutely free, and then going on my main page and clicking the subscribe button, and then you will be subscribed. And then also there's a button which is a bell. You can click on that, and then that will basically notify you when I've uploaded a new video. All good stuff, so please could you do that. Comment down below if you like the video or you want to give me feedback to improve for another video. Let me know down below, and I will 100% comment back to you and like your comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands that I'm going to mention to you. This is just something I brought out of my own money, and it's an advice video for you guys, so it's not sponsored in any way. Please check out my other two social medias on Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12home. Check, like, follow, comment with you, like whatever you would like to do, please, that'd be great. Now we can get on into the makeup review testing tutorial video. The product we're going to review today is this one from Collections, but I actually got it from Home Bargains for literally a fraction of probably the price of at 99 pence, and it is the Illuminating Touch Foundation. Gives a skin a natural luminosity. That's what it is. And I got this in warm beige, which is number 3. I did actually pick a lighter one up than this. I can't remember if it was like 2 or 1, but I didn't see, like, on the main makeup bit a lot of selection of colours, but then they had all on an end like a few more, and then I went for more of a like a light foundation, but I also like it a bit more like yellowy toned, and also sort of match my skin a little bit. This is what we're going to review, test and tutorial today. The product on the back says it's Illuminating Touch Foundation, provides a natural luminosity to the skin with a light, silky, soft texture, infused with blend of skin care actives. Illuminating Touch Foundation will keep you looking your best all day. Use with illuminating concealer and powder. It is 30 ml in there, and the bottle has a pump, which I think is quite good. I do like a good pump, but then I do like a good dofer as well, so yeah, not really fast. But yeah, this is all like black plastic, and then this is all glass. I seem to like a lot of cheaper brands of bringing the glass in, which is really good because it's making it like look a little bit bougie. And then on the side you can see that this like shine effect on the label as well, so I really like that. Or the glass, like it's a bit more, it's a bit stained glass, which is quite nice actually. I'm gonna put my hair up and we are gonna tutorial this and see what I actually think of it and see what the colour suits me, and we'll go from there. I'm not going to put any primers on. I just want to test the foundation out to its fullest, so I'm literally going to pump it on to my face. That seems to work for me. I have no problems with that, even though it's a new bottle, so it might take a little while to come out. But I am going to use it with a brush of the Primark one that I rate all the time. If you ever go in Primark, please get one of this. I'm not sponsored them at all, or any of the brands that I do mention. It's the fact that I genuinely do think this is a really good foundation brush. I've had these for yonks and they're still really good, and I've got about 4 or 5. I had to get some like backups in case one of these like broke or something like that, or shredded, or yeah, good little brush in an all-rounder, and it's really cheap. Let's get on into the foundation. So like I said, it's a pump bottle. I'm just gonna give it a little, oh, we broke the seal, so that's good. Might take a little while to come up. Okay, it did come up, but it literally went all over my hand. That's me saying, like, it's okay to just pump out the bottom, put it on your face, but it normally is, like, normally. It looks a little thick foundation, actually, which is quite surprised me. Just taking a little bit at the moment, because I don't want to take, like, too much in case I don't actually like it. Oh god, that was a lot. Right, so it's all on my face. There is like a smell to it. It's more like baby powder smell, but I'm gonna start like buffing it in. Might have to put a little bit more on, but that's absolutely fine. I'd rather put like a little bit than put a lot. There is a tiny little bit of glow. Smells like baby powder, which I don't actually mind. Dab into the face, because I feel that's the best way. Your arm does ache when you're doing this, but I kind of do like a dab and like slide, if that makes sense. But I think the colour match is really good. I think it's better to get this one. I think the other one would have been a little bit too light, but I could have worked it, it was fine. But yeah, this seems to be doing really well. Okay, like first layer and first impression. I do like it. There is like, I think there's a bit of a glow there. There's like a bit, I wouldn't say loads, maybe it's because I didn't put enough on, but we are going to do another layer. But so far, like, so good for like 99 pence. For 99 pence, I think that's a bargain. It's a little bit hard to get out of the pump bottle, and that's why I'm kind of like trying to be a little bit careful. Like how, see, look, that didn't come out very well, did it? That's better. So this is the second layer. Get into that under eye. So I didn't really give enough coverage under there. Normally I wouldn't go as much in, but because I normally put like a bit of concealer under there, but because I'm not really doing that this time, I'm kind of just trying to get the best coverage all over. Why I'm dabbing as well, because if you do brush strokes, it kind of like leaves that like residue on your face of a brush stroke. So if you like dab, it does hurt your arm after a while. But like if you dab, it kind of blends in a little bit better, as you can see. Right, so that's 2 layers of that foundation. We're gonna let it soak in a little bit and see if it oxidizes. I don't think it's gonna. I think it's a really nice foundation actually, just from that, like how it just went on the skin. The fact that I didn't use any primers underneath is pretty good, I think. There is a bit of a glow there, but it's not like over powerful on my face, so it's like a really nice everyday like foundation. I really want to see what it is like with a primer underneath. But first impressions on just my skin, it's made my skin look super nice. It's drying down really lovely. Like, it feels nice, it doesn't feel sticky. Warm beige was like a perfect like tone for me. If I went anything like darker or lighter, it would have been a bit weird, but I could have worked with a lighter one, just not darker. It's not oxidizing. Oh, okay, I'm gonna let my hair down and we can give it a rating. My rating of the collection Illuminating Touch Foundation is a big massive thumbs up. I think next time when I go out, I'm actually going to use this and see how it well it is with like primer or powder. If I think it's really good, I will try and slot it into this video. But with like the tiniest bit of glow and actually the cover and the colour, I really rate this. I think this is really good little foundation that I picked up for literally a bargain of a price of £1 or 99p. I think it's fantastic. Great little bargain. Unfortunately, we have come to the end of the makeup review testing tutorial video on the collection Illuminating Touch Foundation in Warm Beige 3, and my rating for this was, I love it. I'm going to use it next time and try it out with some other products. So yeah, really love this. Great little product. Happy days. Love this. If you like the product and you like the review or the testing or the tutorial, then please let me know by giving it a massive thumbs up to tell me that you like the video, tell me that you want to see more, other people can like it and other people can see it, so give it a massive thumbs up. Subscribe to tazwells12 by hitting the subscribe button on my main page, and then you will be with my little YouTube journey and the Love family. And hit the bell notification if you want to be notified when I've uploaded a new video. Down below, if you like the video or if you have feedback for another video, let me know down below. I 100% will comment to you and like the comment every single time. The video is not sponsored by any of the brands, it's just what I've brought and an advice video for you. There is no sponsored in this at all. Check my other 2 social medias out, which is 2 on Instagram. So you have tazwells12 and tazwells12 home. Check, like, follow, comment whatever you like to do, please, that'd be great. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. As always, it's such a pleasure doing these videos for you guys, and I know that you're enjoying them. Take care, have a lovely day or a lovely evening, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.